Today I will show you a common website vulnerability found in the admin panel of a website. What damage can be caused by this vulnerability, and finally how can it be fixed. Let's go to the video. First I have opened the admin panel of some website here. Then I will search for basic SQL injection payload GitHub in the browser search bar and click on the first link. From here I will take a keyword that black hat hackers mainly use to do some damage. However, we will use these keywords only for educational purposes. Now that we are copying a payload, let's go to the first website admin panel. Here we will paste the payload in the username and password fields. Then let's click on the login button. Oh boom, we understand that this website has a SQL vulnerability. Here, a hacker can do everything an admin can do. You must understand how damaging this problem is. Let's go to the second website and paste the payload. Oh, it worked. Let's go to the next one. This is the previous site. Next site. Paste the payload. There is a problem with this site server. Next site. Paste the payload. Oh, it's not working. That means there are no vulnerabilities on this website. If you want to fix this problem, first verify your site as I showed you or test it with a web pentester. Then, if the problem persists, tell your web developer and he will fix it. At last, thanks for watching.